You know we're not gatekeeping on this channel. Here's your guide on how to actually smell amazing all day. No fluff. Step 1. Personal hygiene. Let's start with the source. Smudging good-smelling products on a stinky body can make it even worse. Did you know that sweat doesn't smell? The bacteria on your skin breaking down proteins is what really causes the stinky smell. Yep, it's basically the poop of bacteria on your skin that smells, not your sweat. Here's what I do daily to smell amazing all day long. First, I use this soap bar and massage it into my skin with an exfoliating glove like this. I have linked it below. This combination will make you feel clean and well prepared for the second cleanse. This is where your scented body wash comes in. This is the one I use right now. By washing your body 2 times, the fragrance will literally cling to your body. This is because fragrance holds on to clean skin a lot better. Apply your lotion as soon as you get out of the shower. That's right, no towel drying. This allows the lotion to penetrate more deeply into your skin, nourishing it and making the fragrance last longer. I also find that the product gets distributed much easier. Now, listen up. What I'm about to tell you right now is what will make you smell insane all day long. The key to a long-lasting scent is layering. Choose products with complementary fragrances to intensify and prolong the scent. Here's a list of scents that work well together. To make the fragrance last, you need to apply your products correctly, focusing on the pulse points, which are the wrists, neck, inside of the elbows, and behind the ears. These areas have thin, absorbent skin that releases heat, which helps to diffuse and amplify the fragrance throughout the day, making it much more noticeable and long-lasting. After applying your lotion, use a complementary body oil. This is not just another product you add on top. The body oil seals in all the products applied under and on top. Think of it as a double-sided tape for all the scents you put on your skin. I really like this body oil. It's affordable and has a subtle scent that goes well with most fragrances. If you're still not sure how you want to smell, there's an ultimate hack on how to smell so good that you stand out in a way that everyone will immediately recognize it's you. But before we get into fragrances and putting products on your skin, there is one important thing you need to do to eliminate bad body odor ASAP. Step 2. Exfoliating. If there's one thing I don't recommend, it's putting oil, lotion, and cologne on top of greasy old dead skin built up. That's why you need to exfoliate. People with normal and oily skin types can exfoliate up to 2 to 3 times a week. For sensitive and dry skin, 1 to 2 times a week may be enough. And when I talk about exfoliation, I really do mean exfoliation, not just massaging body wash into your skin. Babe, you're about to shed your skin like a cute little snake. I don't know about you, but when it comes to exfoliation, I trust no one more than the Moroccans with their over 1,000-year-old hammam tradition. And let me tell you, they really know what they are doing. Here's how to create your own little hammam in your bathroom. First, get yourself a Moroccan Kessa like this. Forget all those new dropshipping products, this is the only exfoliating glove you need. Before you start using it, prep your skin with the soap bar I recommended earlier to cleanse your skin of excess oil and dirt. Using warm water will help soften the Kessa as well as your dead skin cells, making it much easier to rub off. Now for the most important part. Make sure your skin is free of any soap, conditioner, or body wash before using the Kessa. I don't know who put this image in our heads, but massaging your skin with a soapy exfoliating glove does not work. In fact, soaps leave a slippery residue, so you end up just sliding the glove back and forth without doing anything. For the best results, use gentle, circular motions and focus on areas that are prone to dead skin buildup, such as the elbows, knees, and heels. You will see how much dead skin comes off your body after trying this method, especially if you've never tried it before. And trust me, you will never go back. Step 3. Glycolic acid. You may know glycolic acid as a popular skincare ingredient, but did you know that one of its most effective uses is to fight body odor? That's because glycolic acid has multiple effects on odor when applied to your underarms. Here's an overview of what glycolic acid does for your underarms. From dead skin cell removal to odor control and hyperpigmentation. It even fights ingrown hair. I use this one by the Inky List. Make sure you apply it to clean, dry skin after a shower. Doing this 1 to 2 times a week should be enough for most people. Don't overdo it, as this can lead to irritation and even worse, dark spots. Step 4. Hair mist. Hair strands hold fragrance much longer than skin. This is why I always put a hair mist on my hair after styling it. And yes, you could spray regular perfume on your hair, but the high alcohol content will dry out your hair and make it look like this after a while. I have a complete guide on how to get long, healthy hair on this channel. Make sure to check it out after this video. So to make your hair smell good without damaging it, get yourself this hair mist. It's by far my favorite and everyone compliments me all the time when I have it on. Step 5, oral hygiene. One of the main areas that contribute to bad odor is your mouth. You need to floss daily, and I mean it. Get rid of food particles before they start to rot in your mouth, please. If you have trouble getting between your teeth with regular floss, use Floss Picks. Just like on your skin, some bacteria produce a foul smell in your mouth. To get rid of them, use a tongue scraper like this one. The back of your toothbrush doesn't catch everything. Scrape your tongue until there isn't any of that white residue left. Step 6, hygiene pouch. Here are the essentials that I always carry with me. First, there is lip balm to keep my lips moisturized and smooth. Then there are breath fresheners like mints, gum, or mouth spray, a few floss picks, a mini hand sanitizer, a mini perfume bottle filled with my favorite perfume to keep me smelling fresh all day long, a small compact mirror for quick touch-ups, blotting papers for oil and shine, a scented hand cream for soft, scented hands, wet wipes, and a mini perfume oil. I love this one. I've linked everything below. Step 7, bed sheets. Don't sleep on a dirty sheet. All the dirt, body oil, and stains will stay in those sheets, and the smell will eventually stick to you without you being able to tell. Make sure to change them every week. Step 8, laundry. If you do your own laundry, I know you sometimes forget to take it out of the machine. And girl, if you think people can't tell, think again. That musty smell is now deep in every fiber of your textiles and it stinks. So either get your laundry on time or wash it again. Step 9, environment. If it's not necessary, try not to put yourself into stinky environments like frying, smoking, or preparing fish. We're all human and no one has to go to extremes. Just make sure you're aware and clean your body and clothes after entering such environments. Step 10, shaving. Body hair is the perfect environment for bacteria to thrive. Hair not only holds the scent of the products you put on, body hair like you have in your armpits also holds the smell of stinky bacteria poop. That's why it's best to get rid of it. I wouldn't be your sis if I were to gatekeep the best razor I've ever used. No sponsor, nothing, just a product I've used for years and never regretted. You know, back then I thought I was being sneaky by using men's razors instead of the more expensive ones marketed to women. Little did I know that I was about to meet this baby right here. I never cut myself with this one. The blades stay sharp for a long time and cost a fraction of the price I used to pay for whole new razor heads. Step 11, cologne. As I promised at the beginning of this video, here is the ultimate hack for finding out your signature scent so you can not only blend in, but stand out. Here's how it works. First, go to a store with a large collection of fragrances and try them out. You don't have to find your signature scent right away. Write down the ones you really like and find out what they have in common. This will help you learn which scents you personally like. Take scent strips with you and ask other people what they think. Once you find 2 scents that you really like, start layering them. You can also choose other products such as body oils and lotions to layer with the scents you like. This will create a unique scent that is made just for you. If you want me to go deeper into finding your signature scent, let me know in the comments below and I'll drop a full guide, but finding your signature scent will do nothing if you don't know how to apply it. To make your scent actually last, apply perfume oil to your pulse areas and spray your signature perfume on top. This simple rule will make any scent last all day. Step 12, deodorant. Or maybe not. Believe it or not, since I've been following all the little hacks I've shown you, I no longer use a deodorant. To be honest, I find it quite distracting and too strong. But in the end, it's up to you. Hey, I'm Alana and I help other people like me and you to become the best version of themselves. If you want to grow with me, subscribe and check out this simple guide to get long, healthy hair.